Hello, dear learners. Welcome back again to Venora class. So today I like to share the same information. So this time I impart the knowledge about the adverbial phrases. So for the adverbial phrase, what are the adverbial phrases? Adverbial phrases are that you will see this picture that there's about in the grade 12, Genesis, page number 63. You will see that this lesson. And then this lesson I want to share. For this learning, the main objective is that to know about the adverbial phrase, how to use the adverbial phrase. That is the main thing for today's lesson. So some of the adverbial phrase I will introduce with you. What are those there? What are the in the adverbial phrase there? Adverbial phrases mean that they are the two adverbs. If are the two adverbs, that is the adverbial phrase. Or prepositional for that, the two adverbs, for example, very quickly, very politely. This is the very plus, and then the other adjective, other adverb. This called that the adverbial phrase. So other examples of the adverbial phrase are that the prepositional phrases. Prepositional phrases for that the for our for a less for a year, less longer, and so on. That if it is so, that is the prepositional phrases. So other adverbial phrases, adverb plus, other what, adverb and other words. We call that the adverbial phrase also. So all and the way, all and the way, you see that all the way. So all the way it is, we can use that all the way, it telling about the adverbial phrase. So for that the other way adverbial phrase, later I will explain you what does this mean the other way. So like the adverbial phrase are that the send adverb plus other word, we can have a adverbial phrase. So adverbial phrase, why do we use the adverbial phrase? We use the adverbial phrase for the modified nouns, to modify the verb, or to modify the adjectives, or to modify our clauses. If it is so, we use the adverbial phrases. So like that. Now I will impart the 11 adverbial phrases and its definition. I explain you now. So as a result, ASSARESOULD, result. As a result, what does this mean as a result? As a result means to indicate cause and effect relationship. To indicate cause and effect relationship is called the as a result. As a result means that to indicate cause and effect relation. So consequently, because therefore, so about the consequence you want to say, we say that the as a result. For example, I have learned English until now. As a result, I could speak English. So as a result is the adverbial phrase. So number one of the adverbial phrase I want to share is that as a result. Now you can use that. As a result mean telling about the consequence, telling about the result, telling about the cause and effect relationship. We use that the as a result adverbial phrase. So hope you can use adverbial phrase. And then other adverbial phrase, this is very important for our IGCSE writing. IGCSE writing, we use in our writing skills, so we use the only, in other words, on the other hand, or in other words. In other words, it means the, say in the different way, on the other hand. Other meaning is the on the other hand. On the other hand, or in other words. So that kinds of the adverbial phrase you can use that. Adverbial on the in other words, for example, I will tell you. In other words, not only the electronic devices, but also the electronic gadgets. electronic gadgets are very useful in our AI technology. So like that. So in other words, me, not on, in other words, me, on the other hand. So such as